In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit link fill in Framer. We'll walk through changing the default link color using Framer's style panel, exploring the color picker, and saving your changes so they publish live. Start by opening your project in Framer and head to the canvas where your text lives. On the right side, open the style panel. If you don't see it, make sure the right sidebar is visible. Inside Style, click the typography icon, the A symbol, so you're looking at text styling controls. Find the link text style. This is what controls how anchor tags look across your project. Click Link, then choose Edit to open its detailed settings. Next, open the Fill control for the link. This is the text color. Click the current color swatch to open the color picker. You might see a hex value like 339 ADE if your project is already using a blue for links. With the color picker open, you can adjust the hue and saturation, or keep the same color and just learn the interface. The key is understanding how to enter colors in the format you prefer. At the top of the picker, switch to RGB to see separate red, green, and blue channels. If you need to paste a hex code from your design system, toggle to hex, then back to RGB to compare values. Don't worry about flipping between them. Framer converts automatically, so you won't lose your selection. If your workflow targets wide gamut displays, switch to P3 to view or input colors in that color space, then return to RGB for consistency if your team standardizes there. Finally, swap back to hex if that's what you'll document or copy for handoff. This quick tour ensures you know exactly where to put values, no matter which format you use. When you're happy with the link color, confirm your choice in the picker and close it. You should see the updated fill reflected in the link style preview. If you want to preserve this as a reusable style variant, click New Style. Give it a clear, descriptive name so teammates know it's the link color and that it's intended for general use. Take a moment to glance over the canvas to confirm a link looks correct with the new fill. Finally, publish your changes. Click Publish, review the summary if prompted, and push the update live. That's it. Your link fill is now edited, saved as a style if you chose to, and published for your site.